You have 10 minutes.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Unless you want to tell me,
I will speak within the 10 minutes,
Honorable Member, that the apology are rendered to the judiciary because of the conduct of some members at the Appointments Committee is not sufficient. Unless that's what you want to tell me, I think that you need to move away from where you are now to another issue. I have done that already on behalf of the whole House. And I did it sitting on this same chair, presiding over this House. So please, don't overstretch that issue again.
As Attorney General and Minister of Justice on that day, was when he was asked a question regarding how he was going to transform the judiciary. Mr. Speaker, I am sure the minority will, do well to listen to what I'm going to say. Mr. Speaker,
with respect, my respected colleague, the learned Attorney General, made reference to me in his submissions. To the extent that I feel misquoted, I just want to take the opportunity to correct the fact on record. He contends that the minority, with all its lawyers, including me, have misconstrued the matters at the various courts, and goes on to make further submission that should there be any ruling in favor of the plaintiff, her ladyship Justice Tokonu, Mr. President would obey. Mr. Speaker, the gravamen of my contention and that of my colleagues is to the effect that the learned Attorney General's office file defense in the suit has failed to do so. That was the argument of bad faith we raised, that in ECOWAS court there's a time, and if we really want to enrich our constitution and enrich democracy, that when a person appears before court, parties to the suit, however nominal, would make their views known. And Mr. Speaker, the learned Attorney General, by making inference to my submission, again says that he is merely a nominal. But as nominal as he is the only party the Constitution provides as the one to file a defense. So it was his duty to take issues, traverse the matters, and Mr. Speaker, throughout the period, he did not. And it was the reason why we argued that, look, having failed to do that on time, you've created a certain lacuna. You've created a certain situation. The rights of the respected former Chief Justice. That was the contention. I was not raising any other thing, but rightly saying that if you had failed on time, especially when you were served with all the processes on time, look at the way the injunction application was speedily heard. The substantive matter was pending long before vacation, and even after legal vacation, you didn't file a defense. You later went to the court to file a process for leave for extension of time, to file your process out of time. Meanwhile, we were receiving a nomination. Meanwhile, Parliament was again bound to hear the nominee. This was the argument we made, and it was not to attack the issue before the court. It was the action of your office, and that is why we raised it. So, Leonard Attorney General,
Minority Leader,
yes, Mr. Speaker.
We have heard you.
Very well.
Heard you.
Very well.
Please, I was compelled to give him time because you referred to it, and it's not a matter, as I directed earlier on, that is of concern to the motion that is before the House. So kindly move away from there and then make your submissions. I've taken note of the interjections, and you have enough time to make your submission. Please, you may go on.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. There is a point of correction. And because we are a house of record, Mr. Speaker, I think it is very, very important. The Honorable Minority Leader himself knows very well that the rules of court, CI 16, supplemented by CI 47, the High Court Civil Procedure Rules, accord the opportunity to apply for extension to file their processes out of time. This is not something strange, and there is nothing sinister in what we have done. So, Mr. Speaker, in rounding up, I wish to employ all of you, my colleagues in this House, that we approve the President's nominee because he is ably and eminently qualified in terms of Article 128, Clause 4 of the Constitution. He is one of the most experienced justices of the Supreme Court that we have, and his experience is definitely needed at this point in time in our history in order to
Honorable Minister, you are timed out. Yes, may we go to the next speaker now, and that is Honorable Tampuli Hassan. You have 7 minutes. Honorable member, please. I was trying to get the second deputy speaker. I just recollected he's on an assignment. So may you kindly give me just 5 minutes. I'll be back and then you make your submission. Sitting is suspended for 5 minutes.